This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on your HP laptop. First, let's get Roblox installed. You'll want to ensure your HP laptop meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Then, head over to the official Roblox website to download the installer. Once downloaded, simply run the file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It's a quick and easy setup, usually taking just a few minutes. Now that Roblox is installed, it's time to get your account ready. If you're new, you'll need to create a free account by choosing a username, setting a secure password, and entering your birth date. If you already have an account, simply log in using your existing credentials. A stable internet connection is key here to ensure a seamless login and to access all the amazing games Roblox has to offer. With your account set up, you're ready to dive into the world of Roblox games. The platform boasts a truly vast library of experiences created by users worldwide. You can browse through different genres, check out popular games, or search for something specific. Once you find a game that catches your eye, simply click on its icon to see more details, then hit the prominent green play button to launch right into the action. To ensure the best possible gaming experience on your HP laptop, consider a few optimization tips. If you notice any lag, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality. This can significantly improve performance. Also, close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up valuable system resources. Finally, regularly updating your HP laptop's drivers and operating system will help keep everything running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.